Learning with Veenal Sharma. Hello kids, today we are going to learn H letter words. H letter phonic sound is H. So kids, let's learn some H letter words. H house. H horse. H hut. H hat. H hippo. H honey. H hammer. H hair. H hand. H helicopter. H hand. H hamster. H heart. H hospital. H horn. H hive. H hook. H hot. H Halloween. H hot air balloon. H helmet. H hunter. H half. H help. H hanger. H handkerchief. H heavy. H handbag. H hat. H happy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.